Alright, so this afternoon I'm gonna go explore downtown Austin and some areas in like East Austin with a friend. So let's go meet up with Vivienne. Second time. Heading towards downtown this time.
Yes, we're going the opposite way because more things happen downtown.
Yeah, more than in the suburbs, you know, logically.
Yeah. And today's a really nice day.
Yeah,
again,
the weather's so nice.
Really good.
It's a tiny bit cold, but it's warm in the sun.
We choose good days.
Oh my gosh, focus. Thank you, camera, finally.
It feels like there's AC here or something. It's like slightly colder.
Mm-hmm. It's nice.
So weird.
The fancy courthouse.
Oh my god, all the birds. Yeah.
Wow, palm trees in the middle of downtown Austin.
We love a weird seasonal place.
Yes, we do. It is. Dang, tall buildings.
I saw this while like driving, like we were on that road over there, and I was like, whoa, look, it's so pretty.
Vlogception again.
I keep doing the peace sign.
Yes, all the paths, all the nature options, all the green space. Bikers. Okay, fangirling over the library, take 2.
So, we're here.
Yes, we're on the 2nd floor.
And there's a gallery here that we're probably going to check out. And then on the 4th floor, we have all these really cool
reading
things.
and stuff.
And then there's a technology
petting zoo,
which is animals.
We have to check that out.
Yeah, what
like,
is that?
We don't no idea what it is.
Yeah.
We'll find out.
And then roof
the
garden.
Roof garden. I know people have come here to study on the roof garden, so I'm excited to check that out. We found a zine collection. Yes, and the technology petting zoo. Ooh. So Vivienne figured out what this is. So what is it?
It's a place where all this new technology, you can try it out and play with it like animals, but
petting zoo, but
petting zoo, pet it. There's a MacBook there as well, like some blue light glasses.
Device use limit
Cool
10
stuff.
minutes.
Like this is like Sweden or something.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
very Scandinavian. Everything's so bright.
Honestly though, it does. And the architecture is so cool. It's so modern.
Big fan girl.
Yes,
I would
same.
Oh my god, look at the light. What is that so hot?
Oh my gosh. Vlogception.
This is beautiful.
It is
It's right next
such
to,
a
like, the
view.
river
Oh my
walk.
gosh.
People just
Yes.
walking. Don't stand that construction.
Cam reception. Yes. Let's watch it develop. Just more and more Polaroids.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to say one of you?
Sure.
Cool.
like still smelled out before. Like,
Our faces are so dark. Oh, there we go. Now we're in focus.
yeah.
Cameras spilling out of our bags, like you said.
Yeah, we have a lot of cameras everywhere.
Me with mine looking like such a tourist.
Yeah.
And then you with your Polaroid. I have your Polaroid right now, actually.
Yeah.
But and then you said you have your phone one in your
Yeah,
bag.
my phone one's
Oh,
in my bag.
Polaroid, that was turning out good. That was turning out pretty
Yeah. Okay, we can take another one, then we
Yeah.
each have one.
Mhm.
You can have whichever one you
good.
want. Yay!
Yes! Friendship photos.
Friendship photos to prove that we went on an adventure
Yes.
together.
And I don't know, I feel like Houston didn't have like a bunch of weird stuff like this going on, like pop-ups and things. Even though they probably were there.
They probably did have stuff, but
Yeah.
I feel like it's not as like Austin just feels like a more popular location for things to be held.
Yeah, definitely. And it's more like, I feel creative. I feel like Houston's more business oriented, and the oil industry plays such a big role in the economy.
Yeah.
I was talking to someone the other day, and they were like, yeah, Houston's more diverse. And like, the more I think about it, they're probably right.
Yeah,
But
Houston's bigger, but like
Houston's bigger,
I feel
and
like
it
the culture there
yeah.
not as oriented towards being like artsy and weird.
Yes,
like,
I
Austin
definitely
has
agree.
A slogan.
Yeah, keep Austin weird.
Keep
Yeah.
Austin weird.
Dirty.
Pull us over, she put it all in her pussy. I just did. My show back to back, and they were all my keys. Got your bitch in the back of my
Oh my gosh. Oh hey, yes. And you love this jacket?
I do love this
Yes,
jacket. Look at it.
I love
It's
it.
yellow
I love it so much
inside.
too.
Oh my god, it's so comfortable. I love
I kind of like these jeans. These pants.
Ooh, I like that.
I don't.
Go well with that.
You're right. They would. Because by the time I was signing up, it was full. I was so disappointed.
That's so annoying.
Yes. Yeah, this is so cool. This East Austin studio tour. Yes, me too. Apparently it's a yearly thing though, I think, from what it sounded like he was saying. So we are. Yes, we're right there.
Oh, there were some there.
Yeah. This is so cool. Vlog update. So now we're sitting at a bus stop. The bus that we were supposed to take passed us because we were at the wrong stop because we don't know what we're doing.
We're on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, we're still figuring this out. It's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So now we're chilling and eating cookies from the Depop store.
Yes, free cookies. So, I was really hungry and I decided to go try the pizza. So I have pizza and we missed our bus.
Yes,
So
you were crossing the road as
I was crossing the road as the bus was
passing.
pulling away. Yeah.
So that was...
So, sadly, we'll be here for another 15 more minutes.
It's okay.
It's okay, yeah.
It's nice weather.
The pizza's really good.
And
the pizza's really good.
The shop is cute.
East Side Pies. East Side Pies in Austin.
Big recommendation.
Yes, big recommendation.
Oh my gosh, it's very, very adorable. I
Yes,
love the
it
little
is.
string lights outside.
Honestly. East Side Pies.